Welcome. If you've been wondering how to enable comments on your pins on Pinterest using your PC, you're in the right place. Pinterest recently rolled out a new update that makes it easier than ever to manage who can comment on your content. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to turn on comments for your pins so you can engage more with your audience and build a stronger community. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Pinterest. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main menu. Scroll down a bit until you see the option labeled Settings. Click on it to open your account settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see several options listed. Find and select Social Permissions. This section controls how others can interact with your pins, including whether they can leave comments. Now, look for the setting called Allow Comments on Your Pins. By default, this might be turned off, especially if you haven't adjusted your privacy settings before. To enable comments, simply toggle this option on. This will allow other Pinterest users to leave comments on your pins, opening up new opportunities for feedback, questions, and conversations. After you've enabled comments, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom or top of the page to apply your changes. This step is crucial because if you navigate away without saving, your new settings won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully enabled comments on your pins using your PC. Now, your pins are ready to receive comments, making your Pinterest experience more interactive and engaging. Remember, allowing comments can help you connect with your audience, get valuable insights, and grow your presence on the platform. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of Pinterest.